Good morning, or afternoon, I should say. Had a pretty busy morning, hospital, but I think I'm gonna grab some breakfast right now and then maybe rent a motorbike, ride it out to a waterfall, and then see what it tastes like. I'm feeling some empanadas this morning. Got some yesterday, they're pretty good. This one's got beef and really good. I also got ham and cheese and spicy chicken. If you are wondering, that was about 6,600 colones or 20 Canadian dollars about. Yeah, Costa Rica is not the cheapest country in Central America. Now I'm probably gonna go off to find a motorcycle rental. I'm thinking possibly an XR 150. It's like a small Honda Dual Sport. Honestly, I kind of want to get one just because everyone here has one. Like being here has like showed me like appreciation for like the smaller TC bikes, the simplicity, how cheap it is to run them, how reliable they are. They just run forever. It's actually pretty funny. These guys know exactly how to cross the street and know to stay on the sidewalk. Okay, never mind. These guys are not friendly. Mila, relax. Mila, relax. Some hot springs right here. I might come back for the hot springs, but I want to check out the Castillo village first. You just riding around? Yeah, no problem. I just rode out to Castillo Village, I believe it's called, and got some fire chicken quesadillas. Mike's right there, and we got a best friend right here. They get rained on, but honestly it wasn't even that bad. I'm drying off now, so don't know where I want to go next, but I'll figure it out. Oh, no, yeah.